Cybersecurity is every sailor's responsibility. One sailor from Space and Naval Warfare Systems Center Pacific is on the forefront of the fight.
The work that we do on the C4I help desk as well as the fleet support office, we play a vital role directly supporting the warfighter. We're embedded. The military is a small portion embedded into a much larger community with thousands of civilian experts, and they're pretty much the Navy's brain trust. No system is without risk, but we are here to mitigate those risks as much as possible. So that's why we stress the importance of cybersecurity.